Welcome to this quick tutorial where I'll show you how to create product aliases in Warehance. First, go to the Products section from the left-hand menu and select the product you want to add an alias to. Once you're in the product view, click on the Aliases tab. Then click on Create Alias. Here, you can either manually enter the barcode or scan it using a scanner. Next, set the quantity this alias represents. For example, if it's a case that contains 12 units, enter 12. You can also enter a unit of measurement like case, box, or anything that makes sense for your operation. Once you've filled in the details, click Create. That's it. The alias will now be listed, and it'll work throughout the system during picking, shipping, receiving, and more. Another useful case is if a product has two different barcodes. You can enter the second barcode here, set the quantity to 1, and it will work the same way for scanning.